National High School, Miss Grace L. Pascua. Principal of Gerald T. De Leon National High School, Mrs. Salvacion V. David. Principal of My Son National High School, Dr. Erlinda L. Evangelista. Principal of Malinta National High School, Miss Conchita J. Rivero. Our Education Supervisor was EDSEC, MAPE, Sports and Special Events, Mrs. Victoria D. Altoveros. Our City Councilor, Honorable K. Pineda. On our stage, the alumni batch, our alumni batch 2007, Miss Clara Petiza F. Reyes. And our school's division superintendent, Dr. Lord Luisa R. Mayari. And of course, our barangay chairman, Honorable Alexander S. R. Pacheco. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. He encourages teachers not only to emerge as the Center for Performing Arts. Ladies and gentlemen, the man whose unconditional love and an exceptional commitment made this institution a success, our secondary school principal for Mr. Fillmore R. Caballero, for the presentation of candidates for graduation.
And I have the honor to present to you the 139 young gentlemen and 148 young ladies, a total of 287, who successfully completed the prescribed requirements of the basic education curriculum of the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines as certified by their teachers. May I therefore request for the confirmation of their graduation.
And now for the confirmation of graduation, to be followed with the reading of the graduation message of Honorable Jesly A. Lapus, Secretary of the Department of Education. Let us give a warm welcome to our Support and Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Flor de Liza R. Mariari.
Good afternoon. Before I confirm the graduation, may I congratulate the school and the principal, Fillmore, for very creative graduation. Palakpakan naman yun. And thank you to the principals, my dearest principals, for giving significance to this occasion. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the school's division superintendent of DepEd Valenzuela City, and as certified by your teachers and presented by your principal, that you have successfully completed the requirements prescribed under the secondary basic education prescribed by the Department of Education this school year 2009-2010, I now confirm your graduation. Congratulations!
Congratulations, graduates!
And congratulations to the parents. My dearest graduates, you can enroll in any public or private tertiary level of your choice. Meaning to say, mag-i-enroll na kayo sa college or university kung saan nyo gusto. Yan ay karapatan ninyo bilang graduate ng secondary. And so, welcome kayo sa tertiary level. So, congratulations and good day.
Again, congratulations, graduates.
Timothy General Tolosa Alcantara, Renzo Padilla Balboa, Darwin Gasulyan del Bosque, Enyo Ian Moreno Caburnal, Ariel Jeremy Pesa Cochillo, Ayan Amador Sepe, Ronnie Tudor Cervantes, Isaac Kenneth Diokno Faustino, Philip Eleazar Diokno, Bon Jovi Juani Ferrer, Adrian Carr Exile Gabaga, Leonard Valdez Garcia, John Paul Faustino La Chica, 8th honorable mention. Roberto Pangilinan Largo Jr., Elmer Capiglian Lucero, Henson Hernandez Lubera, Christian Emmanuel Manguna, Paul Angelo Macatulad Martinez, valedictorian, Alvin Dragasin Melocotones, Glenn De La Rosa Rivera, Jeremiah Infante San Roque, John Cyril Ramos Trinidad, Mark Anthony Mendoza Tulios, Glenn Lotido Villasis, Danica Escalante Afable, Jennifer Garcia Andes, Ronnie Ann Buenaobra Araniego, Jonalyn Umangay Bacani, Canis Stefan Mortel Del Monte, Lovely Rivera Buela, Denise Beatriz Aquino Coronel, Camille San Roque de Sherdo, Janil San Roque de Sherdo, Carmina Luz Dumala, Rosena Maglaya Edonia, Madeline Aquino Endos, 7th honorable mention. Annalie Voluntad Francisco, 5th honorable mention. Maria Cristina Gulani Gorgonio, 2nd honorable mention. Jeneline Ramos Hamilia, Christine Cole Malahacan Hamid.